Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by sizing and preparing ingredients so the bake moves quickly. Separate 500 g cadafi and gently fluff it. This lets butter saturate evenly. Make the cream now. Combine 500 ml milk, 60 g sugar, 30 g semolina, and an egg yolk. Whisk while heating to avoid lumps. Cook until it thickens to a pastry cream consistency. Once done, cool slightly and spread plastic on top to prevent skin. Meanwhile, butter a 25-28 cm pan with 50 g clarified butter and reserve 1/3 of cadafi for the topping. You now assemble with purpose. Press half the cadafi into the buttered pan to form a compact base so the cream won't seep through. Once the pastry base is even, spread the cooled cream filling smoothly. This prevents air gaps and ensures an even bake. After that, cover with the reserved cadafi, pressing lightly and brushing it with 50 g melted butter to promote crispness and color. Then slide into an oven at 180 degrees and bake for 25 to 30 minutes until the top is golden and fragrant. You finish by balancing temperature. Make a simple syrup, 200 g sugar, 150 ml water, and a tablespoon of lemon. Simmer until slightly thickened and then cool. Once the kunafa is out of the oven and still hot, evenly pour the cooled syrup so it soaks without making it soggy. This extracts sweetness and keeps the cream moist. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes so the syrup sets, then slice. If the cadafi becomes soggy, reheat for 5 to 8 minutes to crisp and drain excess syrup to recover texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.